Monkey.
Monkey.
Example. The monkey eats fruit.
The monkey eats fruit.
Pig.
Pig.
Example. The pig likes mud.
The pig likes mud.
Bee.
Bee.
Example. The bee makes honey.
The bee makes honey.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Example. The parrot can talk.
The parrot can talk.
Camel.
Camel.
Example. The camel lives in the desert.
The camel lives in the desert.
Cow.
Cow.
Example. The cow says moo.
The cow says moo.
Hen.
Hen.
Example. The hen lays eggs.
The hen lays eggs.
Duck.
Duck.
Example. The duck says quack.
The duck says quack.
Lion.
Lion.
Example. The lion roars loud.
The lion roars loud.
Bear.
Bear.
Example. The bear likes honey.
The bear likes honey.
Horse.
Horse.
Example. The horse can run.
The horse can run.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Example. The rabbit hops fast.
The rabbit hops fast.
Frog.
Frog.
Example. The frog jumps high.
The frog jumps high.
Dolphin.
Dolphin.
Example. The dolphin is smart.
The dolphin is smart.
Shark.
Shark.
Example. The shark has big teeth.
The shark has big teeth.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Example. The giraffe is tall.
The giraffe is tall.
Octopus.
Octopus.
Example. The octopus has many arms.
The octopus has many arms.
Ladybug.
Ladybug.
Example. The ladybug is red.
The ladybug is red.
Cat.
Cat.
Example. The cat likes milk.
The cat likes milk.
Bird.
Bird.
Example. A bird can fly high.
A bird can fly high.
Goat.
Goat.
Example. The goat eats grass.
The goat eats grass.
Puppy.
Puppy.
Example. The puppy likes to play.
The puppy likes to play.
Swan.
Swan.
Example. The swan is white.
The swan is white.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Example. The chicken says cluck.
The chicken says cluck.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Example. The butterfly is pretty.
The butterfly is pretty.
Worm.
Worm.
Example. The worm lives in dirt.
The worm lives in dirt.
Camel.
Camel.
Example. The camel lives in the desert.
The camel lives in the desert.
Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus.
Example. The hippo likes water.
The hippo likes water.
Crab.
Crab.
Example. The crab walks sideways.
The crab walks sideways.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Example. The eagle flies high up.
The eagle flies high up.